welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and I'm super happy that you're here. Today I am going to do a little makeover on my kitchen windowsill. This is what it looks like right now, and I'm going to remove everything that's on there, and then you will see that I have some boards from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to remove as well because I bought some new ones. So if your windowsills are not looking very nice as you would like them, this is just an idea that you can do because they have many different papers that you can put over the boards, or you can just leave the boards like I have them here now. But they do have some really nice looking decal papers, and you can give your windowsill an updated look for just a few bucks. So I've just removed all the items and the boards. These are the decals that I bought from the Dollar Tree. They look like a copper decor. They're really nice and very good quality. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the boards now with those decal papers. I really think they're really nice quality, and like I said, they have some different ones, like some that look like tiles, some very pretty ones. So this is the one I chose, and I'm going to cover all the boards, and then I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little bit of a decor for fall. And then I'm going to show you a little bit of fall decoration that I did around the house. Not anything big, but anyway, this is just an idea. If you have some windowsills in your house that you want to do a little makeover on, this is a great solution. The windowsills in my kitchen have like a wood looking paper that I really don't want it to be getting wet, and that's why I decided to do that there. My other windowsills are pretty much just marble, so I haven't done it there, but maybe there are some windowsills in your house that you would like to do a little makeover on, and this is a really nice and inexpensive way to do it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take good care. Happy fall, you guys. Bye. And here's just a little bit of some fall decorations that I did around the house.